I'm Michael Bloom, chiropractor. There's a really common area of the body that people have problems with. I see so much of it in my practice. It's called the sacroiliac joint. It's just down this area, just down here. And we've got a left one and a right one. It's basically on the side of the tailbone. Now that area and that joint, it's not actually smooth surface like one surface and the other surface. It's a little bit of a weird angled joint so that they both are a bit bent. And it commonly becomes dysfunctional, gets sort of almost caught, feels really awkward in that area. And the thing to look out for is it can refer to other areas. We can get pain from that joint into our groin, down our leg, into our buttock, even up into our back towards our rib cage, up through this area here. So I'm inspired to talk to you about it because it's such a common problem. I'm also inspired to talk to you about it because I did what I always tell people not to do. I never say, go to the gym and just get out of your car and start working out. I always say, do a warm up first. But me, no, I thought I was above that. I'll just go straight in and do some hard weights. And now my sacroiliac joint is subluxated or dysfunctional. So I've had a lot of pain in those areas in the way I just described it. But what do you do about it? Let me take you through my routine of what I've done recently to help myself because it could be useful to you. So I went and I had some massage in the area. I've had some dry needling in the area. I've gone to see my own chiropractor multiple times. I've also used heat in the area, and I've also used a belt, like a firm belt, a special belt to sort of lock the area down. I've avoided twisting, I've avoided lifting and bending, and I've really ensured that I try to keep myself in a neutral posture as much as possible and not let my body slump. And I've gone from not being able to bend down and, put my socks on to in the space of a week, I'm feeling like I'm 80-90% back. So if you follow that regime, especially some hands-on treatment, if you have this issue, I think it's going to hold you in good stead and you'll move through it a lot quicker. If you have any comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you, or any questions likewise. Wherever you are, have a great day and I hope you're healthy and feeling great.